Alright guys, this is my bike check. Amber Savior. They don't make certain years for them, so we're just going to go with this to 2012, I guess. Start from the front, we got Chase Hot Grips. They're kind of worn down as hell. They're lasting fucking wonderful. Got the Animal aluminum bar ends. I like them, but I'd rather have par ends instead. My stems, the Shadow Attack stem, and lime green. I was trying to find the other lime green stuff, but they don't make the colorway anymore. My headset's just a stock headset. My forks, they're the Primo Kamikazes, I think. They're the old ass models. My front wheel's the Alienation 440, placed to an amber hub. It's clean as shit. My front tire, Fly Reuben 235. I like them. It's light as freaking lighter than my Odysseys that I had. In the middle, got the Colony seat with the Primo pivotal post. I got it for free, so I can't really complain. I want to get a new one though, because it's starting to rip. Got the Odyssey Twisted PCs, black. I'm going to try to get red ones soon. I don't know why, but just want to. Got the Ezra Geist cranks. I've actually freaking had these for a while now, and I fell in love with them. Better than most cranks I've had. Chainwheel is just an amber sage. Nothing too special about that. The back wheel, it's an, chain. Has the Shadow Interlock V2, black. Had a white one, but had troubles with it, but this one seems to be holding up better than that one. The back wheel is an Odyssey Hazard laced to a Primo mix hub. I'm actually borrowing it right now because my other wheel freaking blew a bearing the other day. Same tire as the front, Fly Reuben 235. I don't know if you guys want a hub sign or not, but I'll do one anyways for the hell of it. And that's my bicycle. Hope you enjoy it. Comment on this bitch.